How to change Twitter sensitive content settings. Here's how. To start off, launch the Twitter app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner to open the site menu. Then look towards the bottom and click on the Settings and Support. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Here, choose Content You See. Under this section, click on Sensitive Media. Moreover, tap on Graphic Violence. Here you will find three options: Always Show, One Before Showing, and Never Show This. Select the option that suits your preference. Then go back and tap on Other. Once again, you will see the same three options. Just choose your preferred settings and go back, and your changes will be saved automatically. And that's all. This is how to change Twitter sensitive content settings.